Hey George, Tom Coover here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. I want to put a quick video walk around of the 2021 Ram 2500 Cummins diesel you're interested in. I have it sitting here in front of me, as you can see. I'm going to take a walk around, show you some of the options and features we have on this one. As you can see, it is the 2500 heavy duty with the Cummins turbo diesel. I'll show you the front seats here real quick. We've got power windows, door locks and mirrors, auto headlights, digital display there in the center. You'll see we've got just over 35,000 miles on here. Touchscreen center console, infotainment system with climate control right below that. We've got the four-wheel drive controls down there and some charging options right there. We've got center console that flips up to be a third seat in the front, so you do have seating for 6 in here with the manual seats. It is like a grayish charcoal fabric seat here. Again, 3 seats in the back. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. Great looking truck. We walk around, I'll just point out anything that I see as far as little scratches or dents or dings, anything along those lines, I will point out to you. Again, when walking around, you do see the tonneau cover there, as well as the power rear window, which is controlled right in the inside. Trailer hitch, 4x4 there. Only other little piece of damage or imperfection is right there, right beside the light. Doesn't look like it's dented or anything, just a little scuff. Again, this is a like charcoal gray, great looking truck. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name's Tom. You can give me a call at 207-510-2286. Thanks.